2009 Chevy Silverado. So we got something special going on this truck this time. Still got the original catalytic converters on each side. Then it winds into shingle. Then the customer requested a exhaust cutout put in, electric exhaust cutout, with a stock muffler on one side with a turn down. And then 2.5-inch tailpipe all the way into a Flowmaster single in dual out with a dump down. And later down the road, we're gonna run it out the bumper once he gets the cutouts for the bumper done. So hopefully you guys like that. It's something different. Hopefully you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think. Came out really nice. He's got that rolled bumper. And the tip's gonna come out right here. One here, right in the center. There it is. A lot of custom work has been done to this truck. Right now it's coming out the stock muffler. Nice and quiet. Once the customer runs the electric to the exhaust cutout, then you can control it to run it through the Flowmaster whenever he wants. Really beautiful truck. It's really nicely done. Something different, something custom. You even cut the inner fender wells and everything.
This episode was brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, genopure.com, optimizing health and vitality one gene at a time.